Opening an ISP, Internet Service Provider, business can be a great way to provide internet access to your community and make a profit. Here are a few steps to get started. Research the market and competition in your area. Make sure there is a demand for internet services and that you can offer something unique or better than existing providers. Obtain any necessary licenses and permits. This will vary depending on your location and the type of service you plan to offer. Choose and purchase the necessary equipment, such as routers, modems, and servers. Set up your infrastructure, including laying fiber optic cable or setting up wireless towers. Market your services and sign up customers. Remember, starting an ISP business requires a significant investment of time and money, so make sure you have a solid business plan and a good understanding of the market before getting started.
And that's it. With these steps, you'll be on your way to starting your own ISP business.